Hey guys, it's Wes, Not Your Normal Miner here. Today got a fun one for you. Today we have an unboxing. That's right, we are going to be unboxing some risers from gpurisers.com. That's right, I want to send a huge shout out to the team over at gpurisers.com for sending us some samples. We are out here at the GPU mining farm and we are getting ready to put them through the tests. Very excited to show you guys this unboxing here, so let's get into it.
Hey guys, it's Wes, Not Your Normal Miner. Thanks for stopping in. Let's go for a ride.
Alright guys, so in the description down below, as always, we're going to have links to everything so you guys can do your own research. We'll have links to gpurisers.com. Once again, thank you to the team over there at gpurisers.com for sending us these samples. We are very excited to check these out. We're going to put them through its paces. We've got several different applications in our GPU mining rigs that we've got different types of risers in. So very excited here to do this testing. As always guys, if you guys are new to the channel, this is a good time to hit that subscription icon. That way you can keep up with our latest and greatest shenanigans. Also, now's a good time if you have used gpurisers.com risers before. Now's a good time to comment in the description down below. Let us know what you think. But as always, smash that likes so other people can see these videos. So let's get into this unboxing. So as you guys can see here, we do have this sweet setup from gpurisers.com. It is pretty cool seeing their logo and everything on here. It's got the nice seal of approval. We have not cracked this open. So let's go ahead and get into this box of risers here. Like we talked about earlier, we do have many different applications for risers. A lot of our GPUs, they do still have OEM fans on them. Some of them do not though, so that's definitely something to keep in mind. We do have some China fans, and those China fans, when our risers are on them, some of the larger ones, they just don't work right. So as you guys can see here, we have this unboxing for you of risers from gpurisers.com. This is super exciting stuff here. So this is a nice little sample box for us. We're really excited. Once again, thank you to gpurisers.com for this sample. Really excited to check these out here. So we're going to go ahead and open up one of these for you guys. As always, like I said, comment down below. Let us know what you think. If you're a hardware manufacturer, if you make an Ethereum ASIC, if you make GPUs, I would love to talk with you. We would love to do some unboxing and testings out here at the GPU mining farm. Also in the upper right hand corner, we're going to have some links to some other things. But here you can see this is a riser from gpurisers.com. Comes with everything you need, not the stuff that you don't. I'm not a big fan of risers that come with the SATA adapters and those types of things. Everything that you've got needs those. So when you're looking at risers, there's a lot of different things that you guys are going to see and look at. Up here they've even got the nice little logo, gpurisers.com. Here's where you're going to plug in your 6-pin for your power. Here's where your USB cable goes. So this is super cool. We cannot wait to get this on the test bench. We've got that here in our office, and we are going to get this to its paces. Comment down below. Let us know what you think about this. But this has been our unboxing here. We have been unboxing these risers from gpurisers.com. We are going to put these on test. The reason we're going to put these on test is we are out here at the mining farm, and we have hundreds of workers, and those workers they eat up risers. Whether it's dust on them, all sorts of different things will cause us to have issues there. So once again, thank you guys very much for your time. We have been doing an unboxing here of some risers from gpurisers.com. As always, we appreciate your time. If you're a hardware manufacturer, if you produce GPUs, you produce CPUs or anything like that, or you're a hardware store that has mining motherboards, mining CPUs, I'd really love to talk with you guys. This is just kind of what we do here on a day-to-day basis. But thank you guys for your time as always. In the description down below, we'll have a link to gpurisers.com so you guys can, once again, do your own research. But my name's Wes. I'm Not Your Normal Miner. Thanks for your time.